Windows 10 Home? What the? Like, come on, let's get rid of that Windows Home. Let's get some Windows Pro. Copy and paste my code from the description. You can also get Office 2019. Just paste my code. Woof. It's Windows Pro time. Alright, so we're playing PUBG. Stock settings, no undervolt. What are we getting? 99 degrees, alright. 50 watts. Why is it all 50 watts? This isn't a gaming laptop. Dell, what are you doing? What are you doing, son? You shouldn't be going that hard. There's no way you should be going that hard. It's going to end in tears, I'm telling you. Yeah, alright, it's dropped a little bit now, 3.7, but still 80 frames per second. These are medium settings. PUBG, baby, 1080p, of course, and still maintaining those clocks. What the? That's crazy. Now we dip down to 3 gigahertz. Yep, I'd expect that. That's it. Okay, so maintaining 4 gigahertz for a while. Now we're dropping down to 3 gigahertz. This is what I'm talking about. All right. I was getting a bit carried away with those frames there. That was like too crazy. That was like gaming laptop sort of frames. And not only frames, gaming laptop sort of frequency there with the CPU, 4 gigahertz, like that's crazy. Not even a lot of gaming laptops, I'm telling you now, they don't even, well, they do maintain 3.5 probably, but this is very similar to a gaming laptop. Like, yeah, quite interesting, isn't it? It actually can game, and yeah, I think it might be just a combination of you know, better performance per watt, ninth generation CPUs and the new 1650 graphics. So maybe they haven't done anything with the cooling. I have to have a look, but certainly to maintain these sort of clocks, and this isn't even undervolted, is quite amazing. That's what I would expect a gaming laptop to do, like a full-on gaming laptop, and one of those thin and lights, like, you know, the Aero, or, you know, something like that. Even like the Razer, yeah, it wouldn't be doing 45 watts, the Razer, I can tell you now. So this is performing very well. I'm so surprised. It's really good for gaming, like, you know, and the games, they never look better than it does on this OLED. All right, you want a high refresh rate monitor if you're going to be playing first person shooters. Yeah, all right, we know that. But you know, there are a lot of console gamers that game at 60 hertz and they love it. And I'm telling you, on this OLED, you know, anything that's color managed looks so stunning on this OLED. And OLEDs have fast response too. You got to remember that. They've got fast response. This doesn't have the refresh rate, but it does. I don't know what the response rate is, but OLED does have a fast response. So the games haven't looked better. And the game performance on this is quite frankly, considering that this is stock and not even undervolted, let's undervolt it, eh? 3.2, 32 watts. All right, so it was about 3.2. Let's undervolt it. All right, so you can see here, no funny buggers. Now the Elgato does go a bit crazy when you Alt tab out. So yeah, you can see there's no funny buggers, but there you can see power limit throttling, thermal limit throttling. That's fine, right? It's not a gaming laptop, and even the gaming laptops do that. So don't worry about that. Let's just go to a profile that I have, minus 100, or it's actually more than 100, it's minus 150 millivolts. We'll apply that. And we'll see what it was. It was about 3.2. Forget about the frames because it's just going to depend where you are in the game. But we'll push in, you know, under 40 watts, and it was like, now we're pushing. Oh, I'm still alive. Oh, I'm not going to stay alive for much longer. Now we're pushing. What are we pushing? 32 watts. The temperature has dropped slightly, but now we're 3.9. Okay, that's what you got to watch. The clock. Now it's gone up to 4 gigahertz. 4 gigahertz now, and it was at 3.2 when it wasn't undervolted. Now it's dropping down because, yeah, all right, I've been slamming this thing right now, so it's like super hot now. And this is as bad as it's going to get, and this is undervolted to get up to 4 gigahertz, and that's the thing, it's not going to reach 4 gigahertz. It was sitting at about 3.2 before, right? it's going to back off every now and then because it's not a gaming laptop. The power limit and obviously the thermal limit, it's in this thin package. Yeah, that's what it is. But amazing performance. I think, you know, it's pretty good. Like, don't compare it to a gaming laptop, but I think in the thin and light package, to be able to push 4 gigahertz, yeah, all right, it's undervolted, and it will drop down as you just seen then. It went down to 2 gigahertz, but I remember last time the XPS 15, it would drop to the 9570. That would drop down to 1.8, sometimes 2 gigahertz, and there's no way it was maintaining 4 gigahertz. So yeah, some improvements here. Whether it's just the silicon or there actually is some thermal improvement, there are improvements. So yeah, happy days.